Alright, let's make a crawfish and shrimp etouffee. For this recipe, you'll need garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and Cajun seasoning, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 pound of crawfish tails, and 1 pound of shrimp. You'll also need 1 diced onion, 1 diced green pepper, and 2 chopped celery stalks, with a half a cup of white flour. In your hot pan, melt the butter. Once your butter has melted, pour in your flour. Stir the flour until it turns a chocolate color. Make sure to do this step on low heat. You don't want to burn your flour. Now add your veggies. Saute your veggies for a few minutes and then slowly pour in your chicken broth. Now we'll add a teaspoon of all of the dry seasonings. Stir in your seasonings, then let the sauce cook down for about 10 minutes. Then add your shrimp and your crawfish. You'll let this cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes or until your shrimp are done. Then you're ready to serve. This dish is usually served with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.